तलब जो है वो माइक पर तशरीफ लाना और वो भी अंग्रेजी ज़बान में तकरीर करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My honorable Muslim elders, dear brothers of the Muslim Ummah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to talk about the importance of Allah. In the time of difficulties, pain and distress, and in order to be safe from discords and trials, Allah and the messengers of Allah have given us a few ways and trials to may adopting, which a Muslim can get rid of all sorts and distress before Allah. Why couldn't we believe that only Allah can listen to our call? Because it is only Allah who attends to the call of everyone who is downtrodden. In Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 186, Allah says, when my servants ask you about me, then tell them, I am near, I respond to the one of God. When he prays to me, so they should respond to me and have faith in me, so that they may be on the right path. This means that whoever calls upon Allah with full faith and confidence, Allah surely responds to his call. That is why Allah says, call me, I respond to you. Al-Mu'min 16. Assalamu